Sorkar jela kala ong ba kala le bon ki Jingpyrshang ban Pynkynriah ki basa hathem metor pat kam don kadaw ban ai ka jing don kam ki jing ai por ba la penmi da ka seng HNLC ya kanela ong da uba pol indo ubadeiru menteri ka Sorkar jela bat unong ai ktin ka Sorkar MDA habakren chepang ka jing ai por ka HNLC ban pendep ya ka jing Pynkynriah ya ki basa Harijan koloni hapo ka shibnai habakren chepang ka jing jia psha penthei bom IED ba ka jing bam shong shngan ki ba pol la ong ba kum ki ne ki jing jia ba long tang ka ne ka shai jia ha paro ka wei ka parthei hinre ha ba ya de bat ka mekhalaya kisngi jong ki kam pentrem bat ki kam pendan kam suloi ki de ki kam ki bala lek la slam bat ka HNLC kumba long menta kam de shu kumba long ha ki khatsan snem menshua.
Well, the government has made several attempts and has not given up the idea of relocating the sweepers from the Harijan colony. Therefore, I see no reason to give credibility or importance to the diktat issued by the HMNC. What happened was just a flash in the pan, an isolated incident. Is not part of a pattern or is not part of something which is organized on a big scale. I have seen that in even major tourism hubs across the world, London, for instance, was subject to days and days of rioting, something which Meghalaya has not seen in the past decade or so. That apart, we are also collecting, and of course, we're not taking things for granted, nor taking things lightly, but we feel that overall, the major shift that has happened to Meghalaya is that now people are looking at tourism as a major employment generating avenue and therefore would concentrate on strengthening this sector and across several villages, if you will notice, even the Dorbas have come forward and cooperated with the department in ensuring that the safety of tourists is assured. And an isolated incident of that kind normally happens in every part of the world. And in the context of Meghalaya, the days of extremism and gun culture are long, long gone. And the HNLC, for that matter, is a dwindling force and no longer what it was 15 years ago.